hot honey lemon pepper catfish, and the only seasoning you're gonna need, that Atlanta lemon pepper hot. This is the best catfish I've had in my life, shawty. First, throw some yellow mustard on your catfish, then a little bit of hot sauce, and then for seasoning, we're using that Uncle Dibbz Atlanta lemon pepper hot. Google Uncle Dibbz to find it. Set that to the side. Now let's make our dry mix. 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of cornmeal, and then some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper hot seasoning. Coat your catfish in the dry mix, and then set it on a baking rack. Let the catfish chill for a couple of minutes on the baking rack so that the coating stays intact. Heat your oil to 375 and then go ahead and fry those catfish. Fry them until they get golden brown like this. While that's cooling off, let's make the hot honey mix. Melt some butter, add some hot sauce, some honey, and then some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper hot. Mix it up on low. Drizzle that over your catfish and you're good to go. That's good, shawty.